Good afternoon, viewers and listeners. Welcome once again to Salida TeleRadyo of the La Filipina National High School. I am your teacher host, Teacher Kirstine Sonido. And today, we will learn about trapezoid. Lesson in Mathematics 9, Quarter 3. Are you all ready? Let's give the floor to Teacher Broadcaster, Teacher MARCELA II ASAYAS.
Maayong hapon sa tanan. Welcome to Salida TeleRadyo of the La Filipina National High School. Ug hello pod sa tigpaminaw sa 98.3 Gold FM, ang radyo astig ng Tagum City. Kuyawan no? Ako si Teacher MARCELA II Perotio Asayas or kilalang Ma'am Laisy, ang inyong teacher broadcaster karong orasa. Oops, dili sa day nako kalimtan ang akong mga kauban sa La Filipina National High School ug hilabi na sa among kinakusgan na Principal 4, Sir Jeffrey C. Villarosa. Maayong hapon sa imo, sir. Ug sa akong mga kauban sa Math Department, hello sa inyong tanan. Let's start our lesson proper. Today's lesson, we will be dealing with trapezoids as math lesson in third quarter. Our objectives for today: at the end of the lesson, you are expected to define trapezoid, illustrate the median of the trapezoid, and solve the median of the trapezoid. For the review, let's have the family of the quadrilateral. There are special types of quadrilateral, namely the parallelogram and trapezoid. For the parallelogram, we have rectangle, which has 4 equal angles, all right angles, rhombus, 4 equal sides, and square, both have the characteristic of rectangle and rhombus, have all right angles and have all equal sides. For the trapezoid, under the trapezoid is what we call isosceles trapezoid. Trapezoid has one pair of parallel sides and its legs are equal. Another type of quadrilateral is what we call kite. It has no parallel side, but it has two pairs of equal sides. If the quadrilateral has no equal or parallel sides, we generally call it quadrilateral. So, as for the motivation, let's identify the examples of trapezoid in our daily life. Nowadays, you can see bicycle everywhere. So the frame of the bicycle is a trapezoid form. And when you go to the cinema, you always buy popcorn, right? So the container of the popcorn is a trapezoid shape, as well as the trapezoid lampshade and the diamond ring. In your windows, in your home, or even in any building, you can have a beautiful design like trapezoid. Have you ever seen an airplane? Of course you do. So the wing of the airplane forms a trapezoid. Let's have an across curriculum example. In biology, there are tiny bones in our palm that is a trapezoid shape. So this is called scaphoid bone. This bone is one of the carpal bones of the wrist or called lateral or radial side. Isa ni sa mga tiny bones sa atong wrist na nakaporma og trapezoid. Let's have now our activity. So for the activity, we have here a cake. For instance, Mrs. Sacro, the watch coordinator of the La Filipina National High School, planned to give a 3-layered cake as grand prize for the most punctual for school year 2020-2021 for all teachers. It is nice to be punctual always. And let us not continue the saying Filipino time where we arrive very late at the agreed time. So it is really important to be time conscious and honest all the time. Let's go back to the yummy cake. Let's say that the top layer of the cake has 8 inches in diameter and the bottom layer has a diameter of 20 inches. When you connect these lines, we can form what shape? You're right, it is a trapezoid. Since it is a trapezoid, can we identify now the middle layer? What should be the measurement of our middle layer? So that will be our discussion today, identifying our median. So what would be the answer? So just add 8 centimeters and 20 centimeters, that makes 28 centimeters divided by 2. So your middle layer should be 14 centimeters. Next, how will we define now the trapezoid? The parallel side of the trapezoid are called bases, and the non-parallel side of the trapezoid is what we call legs. So, the median of the trapezoid, it is a segment joining the midpoints of the legs, and it can be measured by the length of the median is equal to 1/2 times the sum of the bases. So we have the formula, median is equal to B sub 1 represents upper base and B sub 2 represents the lower base. So base sub 1 plus base sub 2 divided by 2. Let's go to the application. Let's have drill number 1. Trapezoid A, B, C, D with median XY, where X and Y are midpoints of legs AB and CD respectively. If BC measures 5 centimeters and AD measures 13 centimeters, how long is the median XY? You're right, it is 9 centimeters. How come? Add 5 centimeters and 13 centimeters, that makes 18 centimeters divided by 2 equals 9 centimeters. Let's have drill number 2. Trapezoid WAYS with median MN, where M and N are the midpoints of legs WS and AY. If WM is 3 centimeters, how long is MS? You're right, it is 3 centimeters since M is the midpoint of WS, which means whatever the measurement of the WM will also be the measurement of the MS. How about WS? How long is WS? Correct, it is 6 centimeters. How come? Simply multiply 3 centimeters by 2. So 3 centimeters times 2 equals 6 centimeters. Example number 3. Trapezoid WAYS with median MN, where M and N are the midpoints of WS and AY. If AY measures 16 centimeters, how long is your AN? You're right, it is 8 centimeters. How come? Simply divide 16 centimeters by 2, that makes 8 centimeters. How about NY? Correct, it is 8 centimeters. Let's have drill number 4. Trapezoid WAYS with median MN, where M and N are midpoints of legs WS and AY respectively. If the upper base WA measures 8 centimeters and the median MN measures 20 centimeters, how long is SY? So let's have the solution. The formula is median equals base sub 1 plus base sub 2 divided by 2. Substitute the values. The median is 20 centimeters and base 1 is 8 centimeters, while base sub 2 is SY, the unknown, all over 2. Next, cross multiply. 20 times 2 equals 8 centimeters plus SY. So multiply 20 times 2, that makes 40 centimeters equals 8 centimeters plus SY. Combine like terms. Since 8 centimeters found on the right side of the equation, we will transfer it to the left side of the equation by applying the addition property of equality. Get the opposite of 8 centimeters, that is negative 8 centimeters. Negative 8 centimeters will be added on both sides. So the equation now is 40 centimeters minus 8 centimeters equals 8 centimeters plus SY minus 8 centimeters. 40 minus 8 becomes 32 centimeters equals SY. So our base sub 2 or SY is equal to 32 centimeters. So, for all those discussion, I know you are capable now in answering our assessment. For this question, refer to the figure trapezoid GIRL, where YZ is the median of the trapezoid and Y and Z are the midpoints of IG and RL. I'll be giving you 5 seconds each question. And I'll be giving only 3 questions for this assessment. Question number 1. If IG measures 8 centimeters, how long is GY? Again, if IG measures 8 centimeters, how long is GY? Correct, it's 9 centimeters. Second question. If RZ measures 6 centimeters, how long is RL? Again, if RZ measures 6 centimeters, how long is RL? You're right, it is 12 centimeters. Last question. If IR measures 7 centimeters and GL measures 13 centimeters, how long is YZ? Again, if IR measures 7 centimeters and GL measures 13 centimeters, how long is YZ? You're right, it is 10 centimeters. Congratulations if you've got 3 out of 3. If not, better practice so that you can have a correct solution next time. As for your assignment, study your math module, watch DepEd TVBI, and listen RBI at 98.3 Gold FM. And that ends our lesson. Ako ang nagapasalamat sa inyong pagpaminaw, and I hope doon na mo'y matiman-an sa atong lesson na trapezoid. Ug atangi kung kanusan na pod ang cool math encounter on air karong tuig 2021. Kini ang inyong maestra sa kahanginan, MARCELA II Perotso ASAYAS, na nag-ingon, kung lisod ang math, maupod ang kinabuhi. Maong padayon sa pagkaton. Maying hapon sa tanan. Bye-bye!
That is great! Thank you, Teacher Lacey. And thank you, dear viewers and listeners, for tuning in. I hope you have learned something today. Once again, I am your teacher host, Teacher Kirsten Sonido, saying, if math is hard and so is life, so get over it. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.